Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you guys how you can use potato to get rid of sunburn, to treat acne, to treat melasma, to get rid of dark spots on the face. Okay, so let's get right into it. First, you will need potato and the lemon. Go ahead and get a plate. For the potato, you have to peel off the skin. Wash it and peel off the skin. So guys, we are using potato because it has a lot of skin benefits. Potato helps to treat dark circles, it helps to treat acne, and it helps to exfoliate the skin. Potato has a lot of skin benefits, so go ahead and peel off the skin. After peeling off the skin, the next thing you have to do is to go ahead and get your grater. You can either grate it with the smaller size of your grater, or you can blend it without adding water. Okay, the purpose of grating it is to be able to extract the juice. Okay, so if you don't have grater, go ahead and blend it as to be easy for you to extract the juice from it. Okay, so after grating it, you go ahead and squeeze out the juice, which is what we will be making use of. Like I said guys, potato has its skin benefits. If you have sunburn, if you have dark circle, you can grate potato. Take what you grated from it, place it on the places you have the dark circles. Like if it's under your eye, place it under your eye. Leave it for 30 to 45 minutes, then take it out, wash it out, and apply Vaseline on that place. It will help to treat the dark circles. It will help to heal your skin from irritation and all that. So that is it. After extracting the juice, the next thing we should go ahead and add is yogurt. I'll be using natural yogurt. Yogurt has a lot of skin benefits. It helps to fight fine lines. It helps to reduce wrinkles. When you use yogurt on your face as a mask, it works on your skin. It helps to tighten and remove dead skin cells. It also helps to remove the appearances of dark circles. So using yogurt on your skin helps a lot. It helps to fight acne. It makes your skin glow. And when you add lemon to it is a plus. It will help to hydrate your skin and brighten your skin. So after adding the yogurt, you go ahead and mix it very well. After mixing it, the next thing to add is honey. Go ahead and get your original honey, add some amount of it into it. We are adding honey because it has its own skin benefit. It helps to reduce the signs of premature aging. It helps to give you a very glowing skin. Now, the next one to add is turmeric. Add some amount of turmeric into it because turmeric helps to brighten the skin. It also helps to treat acne and reduce the signs of premature aging. So go ahead and mix it very well. After mixing it, then it's ready to be used. So guys, here I have the treatment with me. I have it right here with me. How do you use this treatment? Before applying it on your face, go ahead and wash your face. And after washing your face, you take your cotton wool or brush. You can also use your bare hand. Take small amount of it. Take small amount of it. Apply it on your face. Oh, it's cold. Apply it on your face. Like I said, guys, this treatment will help to brighten your skin. It will help to soften your skin. It will help to give you that it will help to give you that youthful glow. It will help to fix your skin. This is also very good if you have sunburn. This is very good if you have sunburn. You can also use this. It helps to treat dark spots. It helps to smoothen the skin. It helps to brighten the skin. It helps to treat melasma also. Okay, so this is very good, guys. It's very, very good to the skin. Just apply it all over your skin. After applying it, you wait for 40 to 35 minutes, and after that you wash it out and apply your face cream. Okay guys, so this is how you can use potato juice to get rid of dark spot, to brighten your skin, to get that youthful glow. Okay, so I'll wait for 40 to 35 minutes and I'll wash my face and apply my face cream. Yes guys, so that is it for today. I will see you all in my next one. For now, bye. Please don't forget to like, comment and share, and thank you as you do that. All right, see you in my next one.